we're using the LC2i Pro, this is just a basic install, guys. It's a Maserati, but yep, we're gonna change this amp, as you can see, Manny. So I don't know, but definitely I ran to the subwoofer underneath here. I guess the black and orange I use at positive and the other one as negative. I don't remember the color, but there is no A and C to bypass, so it's great. And you got battery over here, you got positive over here, negative down here. So I ran this with the fuse to the power, so everything was not that bad, but it was oh shoot, we forgot to put everything back in there. Right here I use black and pink as positive, and then red and yellow is red and yellow is positive, and then black and pink is negative. It could be black, but it sounds good. So I think this is an ANC. I'm not sure what exactly it is yet. I'm gonna be driving, see if it's ANC issue. So I'm gonna go to media setup, audio right here. I'm gonna turn the speed adjustment off. I'm gonna drive and see if it's making crazy noise.